A simple duplication system is one of the most important foundations in network marketing. If the system is confusing, people hesitate. If people hesitate, they stop moving. And when people stop moving, the team stops growing. That is why duplication must be simple, clear, and repeatable. A new person should never feel like they need to master everything at once. They should feel like they only need to take the next step. That is what makes a system duplicatable. It lowers pressure, it reduces confusion, and it helps people build momentum faster. The goal is not to impress people with complexity. The goal is to help ordinary people take consistent action. A simple duplication system begins with a clear path. What should a new person do first? What should they do second? What should they do third? If you cannot explain your process simply, your team will struggle to repeat it. A strong system usually starts with a few basic actions. Get connected to the team. Learn the product or service. Make a list. Share your story. Invite people to take a look. Follow up. Plug into training. That is enough to begin. New people do not need 20 steps. They need a simple rhythm they can remember and repeat. The easier it is to follow, the more likely it is to duplicate. Another key is consistency. If leaders are always changing the method, new people get confused. If one leader says one thing and another says something different, people lose certainty. A duplication system must be stable enough that the team knows what to expect. Simple does not mean weak. Simple means strong enough to be repeated by many different people. That is what creates growth. You should also teach the system with simple language. Do not use complicated explanations when basic words will do. Do not make people feel behind because they are new. Make the process feel possible. Break everything down into manageable steps. When people feel capable, they are more willing to act. When they act, they gain confidence, and confidence increases duplication. Remember that duplication is not just about tasks. It is also about behavior. If your team sees you following the same process you teach, they will trust it more. If they see you inviting, following up, and plugging into the system consistently, they will begin to model that pattern. People duplicate what is demonstrated repeatedly. That is why leaders must protect the basics. Do not keep adding steps that make the process feel heavy. Master the fundamentals first. So if you want a stronger team, simplify the path. Give people an easy process, repeat it often, model it clearly, and protect it from unnecessary complexity. Because when people know exactly what to do, they are more likely to do it. And when many people can do the same simple things over time, duplication becomes real. That is how teams grow with less confusion, more confidence, and stronger momentum.